Again, one thing, if some one or a name here's miss, but your names are with me in my heart, and I will be taking these names and chanting on over there on the 10th. So believe me, trust me, you are all with me. Now, so look at this beautiful picture of the family. This is called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. In the middle is Shiva with the consort Parvati, and Ganesha and Subramanya, Kartikeya, and their animals. Mouse is there, bull is there, lion is there, peacock is there, and moreover, the snake in the Lord Shiva's, what you call Lord Shiva's neck. If you really notice this, every animal has a different of mindset. Lion and bull are enemies. Peacock and snake are enemies. Snake and rat are enemies. Snake eats rats. Peacock can kill snake. Lion will attack on bull. But all these animals living in one family, they're different of opinions, different of things, but they're all living together in one family. This is what we all need to learn in our life. We might have an anger towards our family members. Let go. Forgive everyone and bring everyone into your own family. Oneness.